Originally, Tia Bell started 2012. Its founder was Miss Evelyn Wise, and then Mama Lou's group took over last December 2024. So the ambience here, as you can see, is like a Filipino home, very welcoming. And then this also reflects our food, which is parang taste of home. Here in Tia Bell's, what we're really known for is, of course, yung malabon and Pichi Pichi. But other than that, meron din kami mga ibang pancit dishes, mga pork barbecue, bulalo, and yung mga traditional Filipino food. Since the restaurant was open 2012, madami na kaming mga regulars. Usually from the area, Santa Rosa, Tagaytay. But once in a while, or most often, marami ring mga pupunta new customers na galing or papuntang Tagaytay. What we try to emphasize here in the restaurant is good hospitality and Filipino food. Gusto namin nilang ma-experience, like pag kumakain ka sa bahay ng mga tita mo, mga lola mo, yun yung mga gusto naming ibigay sa mga guests. Honestly, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel. Ang gusto lang namin mag-serve ng very good Filipino home-cooked meals. Parang comfort food for everyone. Hindi na namin kina-complicate or kung ano pang extra nilalagay namin. Basta our focus is good ingredients and the experience of the guest na mag-enjoy hopefully when they eat here. Hi Simple Peeps! Kung mapapadaan kayo sa Tagaytay, don't miss a quick stop at Tia Bell's Pancit Malabon and Pichi Pichi along Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. Para sa siguradong sulit at nakakabusog na Filipino comfort food, perfect pang break sa biyahe. See you!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.